Hello everyone, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and that's Sunday, February the 19th, 2023. And today we're going to talk, as usual, about whatever comes up, but we are going to take a little look at what's been going on in Toronto lately, sort of a microcosm of what's happening across our country and I think across the world as well. Just a few little teaser questions here. Do we need a police force? Do we have politicians that have let us down and are continuing to let us down? And is the chaos in the world basically caused by the idiots we have put in power? So whose fault is it really? Theirs or ours? Anyways, that and what we've been working on and what's coming up, and yeah, wherever we go, there'll be lots of conversation, I am sure, contributed to us by you. So I hope you'll be able to join in on the conversation this afternoon, Sunday, February the 19th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. See you then. Bye-bye.